Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. We're doing a little update. We were planning on doing Crown Rally North. If you haven't seen us, if you don't know what Crown Rally is, check out our Crown Rally 6 video. Wherever that link's gonna show up, click on it, come back to this video.
We've heard you guys for 30 minutes going up those roads. Like that?
Seriously? That's awesome. That's an awesome spot.
All right, you're back. We were planning on taking the Audi RS3 8V Catalunya Red, beautiful piece of machinery, but last fall it blew up. And now we are still waiting on parts. It's fully rebuilt, built bottom end, built top end, full valve train, ready for like 1,000 horsepower. We're gonna throw a Silly Rabbit hybrid turbo on it. It'll make like 700-800 horsepower, fast, 10-second car. But that's been backed up. We have the pandemic going on. And so Charlie, bless his heart, we love you, Charlie. Charlie wanted to kind of back down from the rally and he let me and Dan take the entry. So we were deciding between the Mark 7 Golf GTI, which, you know, it's just a Golf. Or the 1996 turbocharged Mazda Miata. And we're thinking the Miata is gonna be a hoot. A few things we gotta get sorted before we take her on the rally is the front bumper, really ugly. We're gonna be parked in VIP next to some $300,000 cars. We don't want to embarrass them. The next thing on the list is the rear finisher plate, also faded. So we're gonna paint the rear finisher plate. We're gonna paint the front bumper. And then we are also, what else are we gonna do, Dan? Probably need to make sure the exhaust doesn't rub anymore. Welded up a 2.5 inch to 3 inch muffler. It sometimes hits over here, so we gotta make sure that's secure. And then if we have the time, it doesn't need a timing belt change for another 20,000 miles, but the front cam seals are leaking. If you look underneath, I mean, that's water because I tried blasting away, but it is leaking oil right now. And then we might get it tuned just to try to squeeze out as much horsepower as we can, or put the 2560 on if I can find one for cheap. But we got a 2554 out of an SR20 turbo. It's making like 160 wheel, which is not as much as it could. I'm sure we could push the timing up if we had some like dyno time. Right now it's tuned by me, which isn't great, but it hasn't blown up yet. I had to add some roadside assistance insurance to my policy, just in case, you never know. But it should be a lot of fun, and stay tuned for that footage.